try visualization. It works every single time. See it in your mind, feel it in your hands, experience it in your body, and it's yours.
I am all that I preach to be. I invite you all to take a leap with me.
I am Angelina, and I am here to help you become the woman of your dreams. Suggest that you subscribe. Here we study the principles of spirituality and how it transforms our lives. This week's topic is on using visualization to manifest your dream life. Build beautiful pictures in your mind about what you want every morning and every night. Experience it like if it's happening to you now. When you open your eyes from the visualization, live your life as though what you have visualized is yours. You're now maintaining, that's all you're doing. You're maintaining the feelings that all your dreams have manifested. Be happy now. Remember, it's a choice. We choose what feelings that we want to have. When you wake up, you make a choice how you want to feel today. And you allow yourself to feel that way. So this is how I visualize.